WDWBound. We are recording live and also pre-recording to open up all of our mystery ears, and we're really excited about it. We've been holding on to these ears for like a week and a half, and it is killing us not to go ahead and open them. Yeah. So I will say that we did sneak and open, what, 1, 2, 2 last week?
We did 2.
3. Yeah, if you count grandma's.
Yeah.
So we did open a couple.
So we do need to explain what these are. These we got at Claire's. And these are mystery Minnie Ears. There are 5 total different versions that you can get. It's got listed on the back. There's a mystery one that doesn't tell you what it's going to look like. And then inside there's also a chance to win a Disney trip.
Right. So either Disney World or Disneyland. Yeah. Which, I mean, obviously the odds are not in our favor. But
did we introduce ourselves?
I don't think we did.
Okay. No. So this is Adrienne Owen. She is the originator of WDWBound. This is her daughter, Melanie. And I am Alyssa. I am sister and auntie. And I am a contributor to WDWBound. So we're big Disney fans. Big Disney nerds, just in general. So when we discovered these, we bought 1,000 of them.
Right. Because we also have a slight ear obsession.
Yes, that too.
We buy way too many every time we go to the parks. You just can't help it.
Yeah. And
I'm a sucker for any of the new ones they put out that are sequiny or glittery or anything like that.
Yeah,
so,
you love sequins.
I do.
Yeah.
I really. Well, look what's on my head. Mm-hmm. And aunties.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. So anyway, we're gonna start opening them up, see what we got, and you want me to open them?
Yeah, we're gonna go like that.
Okay, sounds good. All right, and we brought scissors because
we need to open mine. We're gonna open mine.
You want me to open? You want me to cut yours? You mean?
Yeah. Okay. But it's not doing cut it right now.
Okay, so first one.
And I think we have 10.
We have 10 total.
All right. Oh, they're the purple ones.
I love. Oh my gosh.
All right, so the first one I'm gonna say is kind of Ariel themed, right? Because the ears are kind of scalloped.
Iridescent, kind of mermaid colors.
With a cute little purple bow.
Okay,
that's the other language.
That's English.
I just want to read it though.
I'll give that a use. Down there.
These are so pretty.
I know.
I'm next. I'm next.
All right, Melanie, you're next.
I want that.
You want this one?
Yes.
Okay.
What if I don't want to take it?
Then you're giving it to me.
No, I'm not.
All right, go ahead. Tear it open, see what happens.
Alright.
Ah!
I got the same ones I got last time.
Yeah.
But it's her favorite color. Show them to the camera.
Do you think that maybe Auntie can have a pair of those?
Oh, did we look at the thing?
Yeah.
Yes. She had it. It's over there. And then I've got the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
this is also a we're
she's
sorry.
gonna wear mine.
Yeah. We're sorry. You do not have the golden tickets. Okay, my turn.
All right, look at turn.
Yeah. I wonder if I can muscle it.
Maybe.
I want to try to muscle it.
No, that didn't work.
Muscle.
It's misleading.
I know. Here,
like it acts like it's gonna be easy open.
I want to see if I can beat Auntie. See if I can do it.
You beat me.
I don't. Like you want to try to.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to muscle it.
Oh.
What if he gets
As long as you don't punch me in the process, I think we'll be okay.
I kind of want to do it.
What?
The same ones that I got before.
Oh.
What's wrong?
The ones that we
I
snuck
love
open.
those though.
Yeah.
If all those colors are mixed together, I couldn't do it. I didn't do it.
So
these
super
are
sparkly rainbow-ish.
Yeah. Look for the
Sequin.
thing. Did it fall out?
What?
Yeah, so these are the
We'll
sequins.
say we're sorry.
Rainbow. So to recap so far, we've gotten the rainbow multicolored sequin. We've got the mint with like the super studded silver bow, and then the
purple.
Third is my favorite so far, which is almost kind of like mermaidy. It's got the iridescent with the purple bow. So that's
These
the
are my
3.
favorite.
So we've gotten 3 of the 5 with no repeats yet.
Yes, no
Right?
repeats yet.
All right, well, let me see what I get.
What's a repeat?
Like when you get the same thing.
I had a repeat. Oh.
Well, yeah, but we're talking about this go round. And no, I didn't see the.
Was it not in there?
It went in there.
Did it maybe fall out? No.
So it's repeat.
First repeat.
This one doesn't have one either. That's weird.
How come yours is
That's
straight?
weird.
I wonder if it's like the ones you bought in Claire's did. No, because y'all got them.
Yeah, they still said mystery. Like,
All right.
oh, that one's got like
They got hair.
Blue or something.
blue.
They
Oh.
grown hair.
They've grown hair. All right, so first repeat, we got the minty green. Oh, there's the thread. I got the thread off. Minty green with the silver bow, which is super cute.
yeah.
All right,
I hit it.
Melanie.
Yay!
All right, can you
Mel's
muscle it?
turn.
Ozzy. Muscle. Yeah. No, I can't.
No.
Oh. Use your girl strength.
I'm not a girl strength.
You don't have girl strength.
No. I want to win it.
Women powered.
More rainbow
Another
ears.
repeat.
Oh yeah. One of my
They're super
favorites.
cute though. I don't know why this remind me of Snow White. Maybe the red
Yeah.
bow.
Yeah, I think it's the red bow.
The red bow.
Hey, Zachary's
Did not have a winning
girlfriend.
ticket.
Zachary's girlfriend.
Zachary's girlfriend is Snow. Oh right.
My turn?
Yep, your turn.
All right.
Because Snow White kissed Zach. She
Yeah.
didn't ask permission.
I wonder what the mystery ears are. If we
I
open
know.
13 of these and don't get a mystery pair, I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna
Buy
kill.
more.
Buy more.
We're gonna kill her.
Didn't cut it enough. So then,
Ooh.
the new pair.
What new pair?
Oh, I love those.
Yeah.
You're Minnie now.
We're sorry, but you don't have a winning ticket. So
You'll be able to
these
decorate your whole wall in red bows.
are
Yeah.
black and white polka dots with a fabuloso pink bow.
I do love those.
With oh god, it's got a bling.
Oh,
I
It's
see.
like a little look, like a little like fake like sapphire.
I want to choose one to wear. I want to
You
wear
Like
already
right
have
now?
one to wear. Like
No.
right now?
Yes.
Okay.
You
You
want
want
those?
All right, so
You
my
don't want to
turn.
wear your mint ones?
No.
No, you're feeling polka dotted today, right?
Yes.
Scissors.
And sequin.
And sequinning. All right. I think these are a repeat. Hard to tell. Yes.
Oh good. I'm glad we have more of those because they're my favorites.
Oh, we didn't have a winning ticket.
This is just wrong.
That's just wrong.
If we
So we got another pair of, I'm calling the Ariel themed ears.
Yep, the
Yep.
mermaid ears.
if we open
Super
50
I love
and still
these.
don't have a
These
girl
are
ticket,
definitely my
I'm
favorite.
gonna be mad.
All right, so do we only have 2 left? No, 3 left.
3 left.
3 left. All right, Melanie, you want me to cut yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a baby. I can't do anything.
Love these.
Can't do anything.
I have three.
Every single one she's opened is the mint.
I'm just gonna let you have one. I mean, I'm just gonna give everyone my last one.
Careful, careful.
I'm gonna rip it.
Yeah, don't rip the ears.
I
Yeah.
wanna rip the ears.
All right, no ticket in that one.
I
All
swear.
So this is
So
number 3?
So,
Number 3 of the mint ones.
1, 2, so that we've opened, and she still has the one that she opened.
So
on our
4.
trip.
Wow.
I can open another one.
For the scissors. There they are. All
My
right,
turn?
it's your turn.
If I don't get a different one.
This is our last pair. We're gonna let you open the last pair.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, look.
What? Oh,
I found it.
are you sure?
Yeah, it had like a scallops thing on the ear. Look, right there.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Like right there. You can hear it.
I'm doing that.
Another repeat. We're sorry, you do not have the winning.
Not a winner.
You're not a winner.
Hang on, wait.
I'm doing it though.
So this is, what, 1, 2?
If I see that
This is
heel.
number, 4. Because the one that I opened on our trip
Mm-hmm.
was one of these as well. So this is the 4th one that we found.
All right, so we've gotten
I'm about to
1,
rip it.
2, 3 different kinds. No, 4, because Melanie's wearing those. So we just haven't gotten the mystery ears.
Yeah.
Yes, I-
And we only
All
got
right.
one of the polka dot
Yeah.
so far.
the
Uh-uh.
polka dot.
There we go.
I swear, I'm only getting repeats.
Well, we
That's
all.
right. Yeah, that's all we only got. We didn't get any of the mystery ones.
I mean, I swear, good gosh.
Good. Tickets in there.
And we're sorry, you did not have a winning ticket. All right, so that was it.
Yeah.
We opened 10 pairs of mystery ears. Here's all the ones that we got.
You can't see me.
Yeah, I know. I'm blocking Mel. Adding her to the mix. I am disappointed we didn't get any of the mystery ears because I want to know what they are more than anything else.
They might be golden.
What are they?
Golden.
Golden, you think so?
Do we have more?
Well, if anybody else in the internet has purchased these and gotten something that we didn't get, let us know. Like, send us a picture, send us a message.
Twitter, we're everywhere.
Yeah.
So make sure that you're, you let us know because
we're
very curious.
Jinx.
And like, seriously, we're going to have to talk ourselves out of buying more.
Yeah.
We probably should have when we were
Can I go to the store right now and get some?
No, not right now.
I'm going to get a mystery.
Maybe later.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. This was a lot of fun for us. We have a lot of ears, so we might be giving some away soon, if nothing else. Cause
we've got multiples.
We have multiples, and there's only so many of us. So,
we should be doing merch.
Be sure, if you're not already, to be following us on social media. We're on Facebook at WDWBound, Twitter at WDWBound, and Alyssa WDWBound.
I don't know.
And no, you don't have a WDWBound.
And Instagram?
Instagram is also WDWBound. And then, of course, our website.
Which is WDWBound.com.
Right. So if you have any questions or you want to learn anything else about Walt Disney World, we've also just recently made a trip to Disneyland for the first time.
Yeah.
So
we should do merch.
We should do what?
Merch.
Oh, merch.
Yeah,
I think that's what we just did.
Well, you can do WDWBound or D, I don't know. And then you can like put the sticker on the shirt and we can sell.
Oh, well, maybe some other time.
Maybe.
All right. Thanks again, you guys, for watching. This is a lot of fun.
Bye.